Paying a bomb for something that can be available at a reasonable rate is what is annoying Indians currently across India. A liter of petrol almost touching rupees 100 when the crude oil price is trailing down is beyond the cognizance of the Indian consumers, especially when almost every individual is merely trying to survive in the post-lockdown, almost existing somehow times. Here we share few shocking as well as interesting facts that has led to the surge in the petrol prices in India. Amusingly, you pay more not because of the base price, but because of the taxes that gets tagged along with it. Now look at the breakup of any petrol bill. It goes this way, starting with the base price, followed by the freight, excise duty that is taxed by the central government, dealer commission, VAT that is taxed by the state government. So basically, if the base price of petrol in your city, let's say Delhi, is rupees 29.34, you will pay a total amount of rupees 86.3 from your pocket. Which takes us to our second interesting fact, that is, as a consumer, we pay more than 60% taxes every time we purchase a liter of petrol in current times, despite a dig in the crude oil prices. The third interesting fact is that hardly a year ago, India with 69% taxes became the top country to charge its people with the highest tax on fuel. It is quite worthy to note that ever since then, India has been on a petrol hike mode, despite the regular dips in crude prices. Coming to the fourth point, while the current excise duty is rupees 32.98, in May 2014 it was only rupees 9.48, just before the Narendra Modi government took over. Now in less than 7 years, the tax figure just got tripled, and percentage wise it becomes more than 200%. Now the fifth point is not only strange but quite odd. In May 2013, when the barrel price was $99.37, the per liter price of petrol was rupees 71.13 per liter. In May 2014, when the barrel price was $105.71, the petrol price was rupees 71.41. But now, when the barrel price is $62, the petrol price in India, instead of going down, has reached the benchmark of rupees 100 per liter. Now coming to the sixth interesting point, that despite India being a supplier to Bhutan, the petrol price in Bhutan was half that of India. Yes, that's right. When Indians were buying petrol for rupees 100 per liter, citizens of Bhutan were getting the same at INR 50, even though it is India that has been supplying petrol to Bhutan. The last interesting fact that needs your attention is a 2018 RTI filled by Ludhiana-based RTI activist Rohit Sabharwal that reveals quite an interesting data. Well, based on the reply back then, it was noted that India supplies petrol to 15 different countries at rupees 34 per liter. But Indians apparently were getting the same petrol at double the price. These were some of the facts we wanted to share about the increasing petrol price in India. Do let us know what are your views on the surge and the petrol reaching the rupees 100 per liter benchmark. In case you want to understand thoroughly as to why petrol is costly in India, do find a link in the description that will take you to an article giving out the step-by-step calculation.